Christmas Eve morning. Tires are back on. Let's get this thing on the ground. Been up on that hoist for almost 3 weeks. Finally got this thing on the ground, out of the garage 3 weeks later. Went for a drive. Very quiet. Brakes are good. They look good. So hopefully, I don't want to spend any more money on this thing for a while, at least big money. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is the air ride shock system. They're still working, but it's very expensive to replace those components. They do have an aftermarket kit. You replace the shock with a coil-over shock. Fairly inexpensive, so I guess if that system fails, that's what will happen. But right now it's working good, and hopefully we can keep this thing on the road another 4 years. Merry Christmas.